Oh bafethu lo uma kwenzeka nje yenza kwenzeka ungayitsheli ngamakhekhe ikhuliswe istrata kuzomela uhafe uma ufuna le ndaba ikutshele. Otherwise uyamkela Dlamini and ndidlala i-character kaKhongozi. uKhongozile is a very tricky character because he's a lazy person yabo. Umuntu ongafuni ukuzenzela, umuntu okholwa in miracles yabo. Umuntu onethemba but ongalazi ithemba like kuba yintoni yabo. And ngingasho ndithi umona zezinye zezinto anazo yabo. Very discouraging. Mfethu into eyenzekayo basically ngoku yabo. Abangani babangani, it's something ngasho ndithi ayisa exist into yobungani. It's just about what you have and what you can offer. Abanye bathi what you bring to the table yabo. So yeah, but ke ubuntu is something evelayo wesistoni. uBrajona ngumuntu nje oziphushelayo yabo maze lapha esitratweni yabo, and wenzile ke yena out kaKhongo yabo, but uKhongo le ayidlela umona yabo, and yona i-out eziphushelayo yabo. Ngasho ndithi yona out positive that uKhongo ayaziyo yabo. uBrajon ke i-neighbor yasezansi yabo, nje i-foreigner elizoziphushela. The word of the day, do what you believe in. Yeah.